Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on reduced brightness at night on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen of the watch to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down to and tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down the Display and Brightness settings and tap Reduce Brightness at Night. Turn on the toggle. Your watch will now reduce the brightness between 10 PM and 6 AM. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei watch tips and tricks.